Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to another video with me ABM Farhan, and today we are gonna be checking out the one and only Samsung Galaxy Active Watch 2, which got discounted from its original price due to the release of the Samsung Galaxy Watch 3, which is not a direct sequel, but that is the flagship watch that Samsung sells as of right now. So let's check the Active Watch 2 and see whether it's still worth the $175 asking price. So as you can see, this is the rose gold variant of my Samsung Galaxy Active Watch 2 with Wi-Fi and GPS. Unfortunately, no LTE support in Bangladesh right now because it uses eSIM, and eSIMs are not actually supported in Bangladesh whatsoever. Okay, with that aside, let's first discuss about the build quality. So as you can see, the side rails are all made up of anodized aluminum, which feels pretty solid, and the straps are made up of silicone, which are the standard 22mm, and you can replace them with the band of your choice if you want to change it. But for my liking, these silicone straps are pretty nice and I like it. Now on the back you will find the sensors covered in glass. So if I had to say, Samsung has not skimped on the build quality whatsoever despite of the lower price tag. On the front you will find the about 2-inch display with the covering of Gorilla Glass, and it's curved on all the sides, which is a very nice touch. Now this display is running at 320 by 240 pixels, and also it goes plenty bright, like I don't know, about 500 nits of brightness, which is pretty bright. And as you can see, this is on the highest level of brightness. Let me just turn it down so that you can see the display properly on the camera. Now this display is also pretty responsive, and I have noticed like no lag whatsoever, so that's pretty nice. Now you might have noticed the thick bezels all around the display. Well, this also has a functionality. This works as a rotating dial, and with that we also have a really good tactile feedback given by the vibration motor, which is a pretty premium one, and I really like it. And this is by far my most favorite way of navigating throughout the UI using this dial, because of mainly of that tactile feel. Now that segues us into the UI of the band itself, or sorry, the smartwatch. Yeah, I have reviewed so many bands on the channel that it has been a habit to call any kind of smart wearables a band. I'm sorry for that. Now this is like Samsung's own proprietary Tizen OS for their watch, and as you can see, I also have a watch update, which I will update later on after the video is shot, and I will give you a quick overview of the updated version. But as of right now, swipe left from the home screen gives you the notifications of both your phone and your smartwatch, and then you have the home screen, and long pressing on the home screen gives you a whole lot of watch faces, and also there are a few preloaded ones here, but you can load even more or create a custom smart face, what is it called, watch face, from the Samsung Wear itself. So that's a pretty nice touch. Then a swipe right from the home screen will give you a little overview of the activities that you have done throughout the day, and as you can see, I haven't done any because I'm pretty lazy. Going to a left swipe from that gives us the quick dock of applications which you frequently use, and tapping in middle will give you the list of all applications that are installed here, and you can install more applications from the Galaxy Watch app, which is a really nice touch. And as it's a smartwatch, of course you will get apps like Spotify and etc. Other than that, we also have a bunch of preloaded Samsung applications. You can also take calls on this, read messages, all the basic smartwatch features that you can expect from a modern day smartwatch. Then going from swipe right from the applications, you will get your quick activities that you can use to record, and you can also choose what activities to be shown here. Swipe right again gives you the heart rate, then weather, then all the alarms. So that was all for the UI. Also, a swipe down from the top gives you a quick settings toggle just like your mobile phone. So now that our display, UI and the build are all discussed, let's discuss about all the activity tracking and sensors. This has a gyroscope, a 6-axis one, then it has a pedometer as expected, heart rate sensor, stress monitoring sensor, SpO2 sensor, and even more. This has a whole bunch of activities buried inside the Samsung Health app. When you get to exercises and workout, you will get like running, walking, cycling, hiking, swimming, and etc. And I say etc. because there are a whole lot which if I plan on covering in this one whole video, it will be like an hour long. It's that good. I mean, it has so many options. Then also you have like stress monitoring, heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, then how much of the calories you have burned, how much water you have taken throughout the whole day, how much caffeine, and even more. Now in terms of accuracy, as this is a Samsung smartwatch which was once an somewhat flagship watch, well, I can say that the band is pretty accurate, like starting from the heart rate monitoring to the steps and GPS. It's excellent and I have no problems whatsoever with the accuracy of the smartwatch. Next up, then let's discuss about its battery life. Well, this battery is pretty good, to be honest, for a smartwatch. So this lasts for about a day and a half if you are continuously connected with your smartphone, receiving calls and messages and whatnot. And if you are like using this as a standalone device, well, you can get 3 days out of this, and even the Apple Watch will struggle to last a whole day. And 3 days of battery life from a smartwatch, well, excellent. I really like it. So then there you have it. That's all I had to say about this smartwatch. It has a pretty good build, great display, great application support, great activity tracking, and overall everything is pretty positive about this smartwatch, and I haven't seen anything that is like not good at all. Well, also one thing to note, the charging, well, this charges with a magnetic charging wireless charger, which is nice too, and you can also add this on a regular T charger. So that was it for today, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please do subscribe and leave a like down below, and that's me signing off. See you in the next one.